Welcome to this new journey into medical English, a journey that will transform all of us. Because, in fact, I'm also learning. And our journey begins here. In this video, we are going to talk about two important things: the anatomical directional terms and the anatomical location of the abdomen. Let's jump right in with the anatomical directional terms. For that, we need a standard anatomical position, which is this one. The standard anatomical position is the reference posture used in anatomy to describe the location of body parts. Doctors use it so that everyone describes the body into the same consistent way, regardless of how the body is actually positioned. In this position, a person is standing upright, facing forward, head level, and eyes looking straight ahead. Arms at the sides of the body, palms facing forward, thumbs pointing outward, legs straight, feet flat and pointing forward. From this standard position, we define three main body planes: the sagittal plane, the coronal plane, and the transverse plane. Let's see the sagittal plane. It divides the body into a right section and a left section. There are two types of sagittal plane. The first one is the parasagittal plane, which one divides the body into unequal right and left portions. The second one is the mid-sagittal plane, also known as the median plane, and it divides the body into equal left and right portions. This median plane is going to be our reference when describing terms like medial and lateral. This red point is closer to the median plane, so it is medial. The black point, though, is farther from the median plane, so it is lateral. For example, the clavicle has two epiphyses. This one is medial and this one is lateral. Also, you have to know this. Everything that belongs to the median plane is median. So the nose, for example, is median. Let's move on to the coronal plane, also known as the frontal plane. It divides the body into a front section and a back section. Based on that coronal plane, we define anterior or ventral and posterior or dorsal. Finally, we have the transverse plane, also called the axial plane or horizontal plane. It divides the body into a top or upper section and a bottom or lower section. That transverse plane is the reference when describing superior and inferior. For example, the humerus has two epiphyses. This one is superior or cranial, and this one is inferior or caudal. There are other directional terms that have no relation with these planes. Proximal means closer to the origin, and on the contrary, distal means far from the origin. Superficial or external means closer to the surface, and on the contrary, deep means far from the surface. Unilateral means one side of the body, and on the contrary, bilateral means both sides of the body. Ipsilateral means on the same side of the body, and on the contrary, contralateral means on the opposite side of the body. Now let's talk about the anatomical locations of the abdomen. As you know, during the clinical examinations of the abdomen, it is necessary to specify the location of some pain or injury. And to reach that aim, we can refer either to the 9 abdominal regions or to the 4 abdominal quadrants. First, let's talk about the 9 abdominal regions. It involves 2 parasagittal planes and 2 horizontal planes. So this is the right hypochondriac region, the epigastric region, the left hypochondriac region, the right lumbar region. This is the umbilical region. It is called like that because of the umbilicus that we have right here, also known as the navel. This is the left lumbar region, the right iliac region, the hypogastric region, and this is the left iliac region. Now let's move on to the 4 abdominal quadrants. It involves just 2 planes, the median plane and 1 transverse plane, also called transumbilical plane, because it passes at the level of the navel. So here we got the right upper quadrant, the left upper quadrant. This is the right lower quadrant, and this is the left lower quadrant.